The Galaxy S25 Ultra has officially made its first real-world appearance. We now have a hands-on video showcasing Samsung's next big flagship, and it's creating a buzz. This video first appeared on Reddit and has since been confirmed by multiple reputable leakers on Twitter, verifying its authenticity. This is indeed the real Galaxy S25 Ultra. Let's dive into the details. In the video, the S25 Ultra maintains its signature boxy design, which fans love, but with a noticeable refinement. Slightly more rounded edges for improved comfort in hand. It's a perfect balance between premium aesthetics and practicality. Plus, there's big news about Samsung's bold plans for 2025. Stay tuned, as we'll discuss this major update after exploring more about the S25 Ultra. The Galaxy S25 Ultra features a display that's nearly flat, with only a subtle curve at the edges for a sleek yet functional design. At the front, there's a centered punch-hole camera, confirming that Samsung's 2025 flagship won't adopt under-display camera technology just yet. On the right side of the phone, you'll find the familiar volume rocker and power button. Moving to the back, the S25 Ultra boasts a quad camera setup, including a wide-angle lens, dual telephoto lenses, and an ultra-wide lens, ensuring versatile photography options. A closer look at the UI, especially the redesigned battery icon, reveals that the device is running the next-generation One UI 7.0. This confirms the software evolution that will accompany the S25 Ultra's cutting-edge hardware. One of the most notable upgrades in the Galaxy S25 Ultra is its design. Beyond the refined rounded edges, the device is noticeably thinner than its predecessor, the S24 Ultra. Despite this slimmer profile, it still manages to include the iconic S Pen, all while being lighter in weight. This combination of premium design and functionality sets it apart, outperforming many top-tier flagships in its price range. Breaking news: Samsung shakes up leadership amid semiconductor struggles. In a surprising move, Samsung has reportedly dismissed several senior executives, as reported by Korean media. The decision appears to stem from dissatisfaction with the company's performance in the semiconductor and chipset arena. One significant factor behind this shakeup is the underwhelming performance of Samsung's Exynos chips. Once touted as a game-changer, the so-called Dream Exynos chip failed to meet expectations, prompting Samsung to take drastic steps. As a result, the upcoming Galaxy S25 series will abandon Exynos entirely. Instead, all S25 models across global markets will feature the cutting-edge Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, ensuring top-tier performance for their flagship lineup. While this is great news for customers, it's a tough blow for Samsung. The company had been investing significant effort into developing its next-generation Exynos chipset. However, due to poor production yields, the Exynos 2500 won't make it to the Galaxy S25 series. Adding to Samsung's challenges, Google has reportedly opted to partner with TSMC for the chip production in its next-generation Pixel 10 devices, further sidelining Samsung's semiconductor ambitions. This marks a critical moment for Samsung's chipset division as it faces increasing competition and setbacks. Exciting AI upgrade in the works for the Galaxy S25 series. Last but not least, the Galaxy S25 series might be gearing up for a significant AI boost with One UI 7. Reports suggest that OpenAI is in talks with Samsung to integrate ChatGPT's advanced capabilities into Samsung's Galaxy AI framework. ChatGPT, widely regarded as one of the best AI chatbots available, could bring a transformative edge to Samsung's AI ecosystem. By combining ChatGPT's framework with Galaxy AI features, Samsung has the potential to significantly enhance its AI offerings, providing smarter, more intuitive experiences for users. While this collaboration is still under discussion, it signals Samsung's intent to push boundaries in AI innovation. Stay tuned. We could see this groundbreaking partnership come to life soon. And that's all the latest updates on Samsung and the first look at the Galaxy S25 Ultra. What are your thoughts on the design, features, and big changes coming with this flagship? Let me know in the comments below. With that, I'll see you in the next one. Take care, and peace out.